Hello, welcome back. In this video, we are going to understand very small functions which are inbuilt functions, but very much useful function. Like what is the is instant, use of format, time it, round, slice, absolute function. Okay, let's see one by one. Is instant. So 24 is a data, and the second one is a data type. So in is instant, we basically have two things. So inside is instant, you need to write down two values. The first is basically the data, and the second one is the data type. So is instant basically check whether the data is of a same data type or not. Like 24 is an integer. If you ask to is instant method, it is going to say true. Yes, 24 is an integer. But when you say or ask is instant that 24 is a full float, it is going to say false. So you can check the data and data type. Suppose if I check is instant is A is basically the string, it is going to say true. Okay. So now 4 plus J4 is a complex. If I ask to is instant, yes, it is true. True is a Boolean data type. The answer is true. Suppose this is a set and I'm checking it is a set, the answer will be true. If I check this value, this is basically tuple and I'm checking it for tuple, it is saying yes. This is basically tuple and I'm saying it is a dictionary, the answer will be false. It is a list and I'm checking it for list, answer is true. Okay. Now coming to dot format method. Suppose you use of format method. So suppose you want to convert the number into decimal number into different data types, different number system, not data type. Okay, so decimal, I want to convert into the hex. So this is a hex number. So 56 is a decimal and I'm converting into hex. So when you write 0 and x over there, that is basically considered to be as hex number. 0b is considered to be as binary number. 0b is considered to be as binary number. Okay, so now if I write this is a binary. Okay, and you get a binary number 0b over here. You can convert this into octal also. You can again convert back into a decimal, that is 56 will be coming out. And 08b, what is the meaning of that? So binary is here 6 digit. You can append 20 into that when you write 08b. So 20 will be appended, you can see. And when you write 10, that means 10, the digit will be 10 digits. You can check out. So 40 will be appended over here. So real number is this. Inside that, I want a 10 digit to be output. So 40 will be appended to that. Great. So now coming to the next part, and that is time it. Suppose you want to check what particular part of a program is taking how much time. So if you could able to find out what time required to execute that particular function, you can actually speed up your program. Suppose some part of a code is taking a too much time, you can just replace with a small code, and based on that your system will behave fast and your total system will be there will be a very small time required to respond to your query. So import time it inbuilt function. I'm checking how much time is required to multiply 10 into 5, and you can see 0.015 second is been required. Very small time is required to execute that. Suppose I have a equal to b equal to this value and I'm going to add that two values. You can check out the time required for that. 0.04 second. Every time it takes us different time based on the speed of your system. Okay, and now we are coming to the rounding operation. So you can round off 10.54 into the upper value, rounding off operation. You can round off to 2 digit also. Okay, so you can see 2 digit round off. And now I'm taking intentionally 5 over here instead of 3. So this is going to be round off to 10.46. The negative value will be round off to the small value than that. Okay. And 2.4 will be round off to -2. So this is a very crystal clear concept. Slicing operation. Suppose I will list like this and I want to slice it to first three value only. I don't want all values. So first three value can be sliced, first four value can be sliced. Suppose I have hello world like this, I can slice it to 1 to 5 and I can skip 1 value also. So in the hello world, I can slice like this. We have to first run this one, then this one. Okay. So from E to W will be taken, but skipping 1 value. So L will be skip, O will be skip. I can slice 1 to 6 also. So this is the total value E to W, and that we have skipped 1 value here. Suppose I have a tuple, I can slice it to one particular value to one particular value. Like I'm slicing from 2 to 4. That is 2 to 3 I'm actually slicing. Suppose I have a value like this, integer value and float value. I can slice it. Oh, sorry, I can find out the absolute value of that. So absolute value is positive value of that. I have a complex value like this, 3 plus j 10. I can find out the absolute value of that. Great. So I hope a very small tutorial, but very useful tutorial, which is required for the operations. I hope this is clear to you. Stay tuned. Thank you very much.